Omelette musical recipe by Beats and Bites Kitchen. A simple omelet, honest and real. Few ingredients, comfort you can feel. Butter in the pan, low flame, take it slow. Too much heat burns the soul, let the flavor grow. Garlic chopped and ready, mise en place. Have it all prepared, cause timing move fast. When the aroma hits your nose, that's the sign. Tomatoes go in quick, don't cross the line. Grated or chopped, yeah, either way's fine. In the end it melts down, rich by design. Low flame, low game. Keep it tight, simple move. But it's done right. No tricks, no show, just feel the flow. From the pan to the plate, let the real taste show. Low flame, low game. Keep it tight, simple move. But it's done right. No tricks, no show, just feel the flow. From the pan to the plate, let the real taste show. Salt and pepper, turmeric, classic and clean. You can try new spices, but respect what's been. Let the water cook away, let the sauce get strong. When it thickens up, you know it didn't take long. Add a little oil or butter, bring the shine back in. Crack the eggs in the pan, let the mix begin. Some say split the whites, make it technical art. But this dish stays simple, don't overthink the start. If you feel the mood, fry some onions on the side. Golden crispy, drop them on top, let it ride. Hot bread on the table, lemon squeeze just right. Fresh basil, sweet tea, yeah, the balance is tight. Yeah, this might look simple, nothing fancy to sight. No filters, no plate, no Instagram lights. Before screens and stories, before trends and hype. People met in cafes, share beat and bites. Old markets waking up, tables warm by time. Breakfast, lunch, or dinner, this meal still shines. What you see in is comfort, familiar and felt. Yeah, this is Cafe Style Omelette. Nothing fancy, just pure love. Yeah.